Let's make cake pops.
Say I love you, shmoy shmee shmo. That sounded nothing like I love you.
Oh. This is awkward. What if I just like failed?
Ew, why does it look so big?
How many eggs do you need? 8?
At least 20.
8?
I'm
Yes,
24.
4.
Okay.
Murphy, what? Stop licking the ground. What?
I just cut.
Stop. What? Ouch.
Don't throw things at me ever again!
Why the fuck would you throw it? It's plastic and it hurts.
I said touch!
Yeah, right. That's I don't fucking
God.
suck at you. Like, oh, watch the fuck out. He's like, step on the gas and run you over. Oh, I told you to watch out.
Cooking with the foxes. So the cake is in the oven, and we've been licking the bowl. Cause if you make a cake and not lick the bowl, did you really make a cake?
No, I seriously think that spoon had soap on it because it was like burning my tongue.
Is that burning your tongue?
No, so I think the spoon had soap.
No, we didn't like make it by scratch.
Oh.
But yeah, we got the best of the best, guys. Betty Crocker, shout out to you.
You're amazing.
Yeah. So
We put the frosting in, and now we're just mixing it up because that's how you do it. And yes, for using your hands, we washed them and all that good stuff.
it kind of burns.
Yeah, it's really
There
hot.
you
Ooh, that feels... Look, Sophia, look.
It like comes out of your knuckles.
Ew, oh my god, that's so gross.
Okay, then we're
grabbing
some
it's
making
working
balls.
now. But so we're gonna like make the
Wait,
balls
but-
onto these things, and then you melt that and put it over it, so that's like a little coating. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
How big are the balls gonna be?
That's what she said. Oh, stupid. Oh, there we go. That is disgusting. Now move your hands.
Okay, we just got done making cake pops.
They're super fun to make, but like they they
They really did not turn out how we wanted them to.
Where are you
or how
pointing
we
to?
The
expected.
chocolate hardened in like 2.2 seconds.
Where are you pointing to, though?
We're all vlogging. It's such a great day.
Is it a family channel?
Wait. Did you just eat my good one?
actually eat it. Guys, you should have seen her face. She was like, wait.
Well, because I only made one good one. Well, it's not good, but it's the
Guys,
best
what can
one.
I eat?
It's like,
Or
you know. And this one's Sophia's, and this one was the best. Stop. This one was the best one out of all of them. And Kara's best one was.
No, my best one. Yeah, my best one was this one.
Yeah.
Oh, and
Yeah.
another
So-
one. Wait. This one was good.
Uh huh.
I don't want this one. Spikes on it.
Yeah. She tried to do some patterns and stuff. I really like the texture of hers. Chocolate like got all hard. So like, ew. But like, yeah, it didn't work out too well. So. Oh, okay.
No.